rooftop, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be a somebody. Spending all of the night moonwalking, and with a view she could see her building. Try to tell her I know right.
Phone rings. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call. Timing, I don't wanna regret it when it goes wrong. Yeah, well she's in my car, but she's out of my league. Only in my arms temporarily. She looks pretty when she grits her teeth, 'cause her boyfriend sucks and she knows he cheats.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall.
There are melodies that emerge from my heart. Songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night, 'cause I'm afraid I've left something unsaid. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? Falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight.
see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end. You should be more worried it'll never begin. So how is life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true? And how come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye, you can't hide all this loneliness inside. So you weep and cry by yourself to sleep at night. Now fear consumes your mind. What if I'm not too cut out for this life? Oh, I've never seen you act this way. So I came, booked a one-way to LA, gave up everything, paused my job and changed my name so I could prove to you, hey, hey, what you told me was true. Then you said, don't you be afraid of when your life's gonna end.